ShortMeme AI is one of the latest AI tools that just hit the market, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Trust me, if you're interested in this software, you're going to want to stick around until the end because I'm going to break down its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's really worth your time. First off, ShortMeme AI is a meme generator that leverages powerful AI to create memes quickly and efficiently. It's designed for both content creators and digital marketers who need to stay on top of trends. Whether you're running social media campaigns, looking to boost engagement, or just want to have some fun, this tool promises to save time while delivering high-quality, shareable memes. Now, here's what you should know. The user interface is incredibly simple and intuitive. You don't need to be a designer or have any graphic experience to use it. It's made so that anyone can pick it up and start creating memes in a matter of minutes. So if you've been hesitant to create memes because of the learning curve with other tools, ShortMeme AI has you covered. One of the most impressive things about ShortMeme AI is its ability to adapt to trends. The software uses AI to analyze the latest meme formats and jokes that are trending online. If you're someone who needs fresh content for social media regularly, this feature alone can save you a lot of time and effort. No more scrolling through meme pages or trying to guess what might catch on. The AI does it for you. But that's not all. The meme customization options are also top-notch. You can upload your own images or use their pre-made templates. You can adjust text placement, font style, and even the size of the meme to fit your needs. And for those who want a little more flair, there are a range of filters and effects you can apply to make your memes stand out. What really sets ShortMeme AI apart is its AI-powered captioning feature. Instead of manually coming up with the perfect caption, the software generates contextually relevant captions based on the image or meme format you're using. This is a game changer if you're someone who needs to produce memes fast and doesn't have time to think of witty captions every time. But, like any tool, ShortMeme AI does have some drawbacks. The free version does limit the number of memes you can generate, and you'll need to upgrade for access to premium features like unlimited meme creation and advanced analytics. That being said, the free version is still more than enough to get started and see if this tool fits into your content creation strategy. Now, let's talk about pricing. ShortMeme AI is priced competitively compared to other meme generators, especially considering its AI-driven features. While some meme tools might charge for each use, ShortMeme AI offers a subscription model that allows you unlimited access to its features at a relatively low cost. This makes it a great investment for marketers who want to step up their social media game without breaking the bank. You can actually try ShortMeme AI for free right now through the first link in the description below. I highly recommend checking it out, especially if you're someone who needs to produce memes or social media content on a regular basis. And if you're wondering, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've listed my recommended AI software in the description for you to try for free. These tools have helped me optimize my workflow and boost engagement across various platforms. In conclusion, ShortMeme AI is a great tool if you're looking to create high-quality memes quickly and easily. The AI features make it stand out, especially for anyone trying to stay on top of social media trends. If you need a meme generator that's efficient, customizable, and built for creators and marketers alike, give it a try. Just click that link below and see for yourself. If you found this review helpful, make sure to check out my other recommended tools in the description. Thanks for watching.